Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an Activecampaign account. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the main page of Activecampaign, and then you're going to select free trial in the top right. Here you can enter your email address. It can be whatever you want it to be. I have this email, however, I already have the account on that. So I'll just click this and then click get started. And once you do this, you're going to get a new account, making page, I guess you could call it that. Then add whichever phone number you want. I'll add this one, for example, and then click next step. And now you can select your company website, which is optional. I don't have one, so I'm not going to choose it. I'll select less than 500 for employees or contacts less than one employee, and I'm going to select software. You can select these if you already use other CRM tools, but I'm just going to click next step, and then you're going to get your confirmation email, and then you're going to go ahead and add that code over here. So let me just check for what my code is. Just a second. Just wait until I find it, and there we go. And the code is 813887, and just click verify. And once you verify it, it's going to create your new account. As you can see, you can set up some security, which is your password, which I'm going to set up like this. Take me to my account. And once you're done with that, that should take you to the dashboard. And that is pretty much it. Just wait until it loads. And once that loads up, we're pretty much done. And there we go. You can now set up everything you want else in Activecampaign. I'm just going to skip over this tutorial, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.